Alright guys, old blue Accord back again. Well, this is the video that nobody wants to make. I tried to take my car for a ride just a few hours ago and I noticed the key fob right here doesn't do anything. Well, listen. And well, I was like, well, I'll just try the other key fob. You know, the battery's probably dead in it or something like that. But anyway, came back tonight and still can't get it to start with the other key fob, and I'm pretty puzzled. Got a charge on the battery just to make sure, even though it's checking out good, it's not taking much of a charge at all, as you can tell. So I feel like my battery is charged up. And then the other odd thing is, once in a while, if I touch, and yes, you're probably, I don't know if you guys will be able to hear this. Apologize for it not focusing tonight too. Never fails. All electronics fail at once. If I put, let's see if I can do it quietly. Yeah, you hear a little clicking noise. It only does it once though, and then it gives up. And I noticed too that, you know, a lot of times you'll hear your fuel pump in the back prime up. It'll be like a little bit of a rattling noise. I thought I heard that, but I don't think the transponder's there. I know the transponder on Chevrolets is in the middle of that cup holder. If you put the key in there, well, obviously I can't get in. So anyway, I'm locked out. Just trying to figure that out. And I tried the trunk. It does that same clicking thing. Let's see if I can get it. Let's see if I can get it to do it where you can hear it. Yeah. It's almost like there's a bad connection someplace. It's really strange. So, stuck in my own garage. I don't know what to do. I can't get the doors open. Boy, that would be a really not a fun car to get out of this garage. It drags a little bit right there anyway, and of course it's in gear with the emergency brake on. They'll have to $4 it or do something, jack it up. So I'm gonna have to try to figure this out. But if anybody knows anything, I'd appreciate it. It's a 2018 Chevrolet ZL1 1LE with 9,000 miles on it. But for some reason, I'm gonna run through the fuses. I'm kind of looking at the cover to try to see if it's something to do with like a key fob. I don't know what it would be, but that's why I had the fuse panel off. I don't think I blew any fuses or anything, but I'm gonna let this battery just sit on charge. But yeah, here's your undercover fuse, and I'm just thinking like maybe there's something that'll just grab my attention that's blown. I guess I'll have to run through all these fuses and see what happens. Got a run crank relay, an empty relay, vacuum pump relay, coolant pump relay. Yeah, I don't think that's anything that's gonna help me. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see what happens. Kind of weird. Maybe both these key fobs are just weak at the same time. I mean, I can see that happening. That's probably the easiest thing to do is change the batteries in the key fob. Kind of sucks because kind of wanted to drive it. Seems typical. And I probably won't have any time next week. But well, thanks a lot for looking. And I'll let you know what I find out when I find it out. Old Blue Accord, over and out.